In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for coding. This beginner-friendly tutorial will help you start using Claude to write and understand code. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with coding. For example, I might type, "Write a simple Python program that prints hello world." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will then generate the code example, along with an explanation of how the code works. If I already have some code, I can also paste my code into the chat and ask Claude to review it. For example, I might type, "Can you check this code for errors and explain what it does?" Claude can also help with debugging code, explaining programming concepts, generating code snippets, or improving existing code. If I want to work on a larger coding task, I can continue the conversation and ask Claude to modify the code, add features, or explain specific parts step by step. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to help with coding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.